I'm going to show you how to play Discord's new game, The Last Meadow. Now, all you need to do is you simply go into the gear option, user settings, and once you're on user settings, you can do this on your phone too. You just want to type in The Last Meadow in this bar right here. When you type in The Last Meadow, you can see it'll come up and you can click on play or you can watch the trailer. And how you play is you can actually win Discord rewards, so on, just like Nitro Plus and etc., like a flower. As you can see, the more times you click, the more rewards you earn, and that's all you want to do to play this new game that Discord is trying to get you to touch grass. And you can upgrade your skills and your tapping abilities just by clicking on these buttons down here. And actually, so you can see we're touching grass, which is a crazy game. I can't believe they actually did this, but that's all you do. And basically what all these abilities are you can upgrade them every single time you've touched the grass, which is up here. Every time you touch the grass, you can get more abilities so you can level up and just progress faster in this game. You can see right now I'm level 2, but if I want to be level 3, you can click on this button once you have enough, and as you can see, that's all you do, and all these things will spawn in so you can beat this game even faster. And you can actually see these little flowers will spawn in and actually remove how much grass you touch per second. So all you do to get rid of them is you click on the flowers, and that's how you get rid of all of these flowers. And as you can see, this is like Z-Force Google game, so you just want to click on these flowers to get rid of them so you can actually upgrade your stuff and view your achievements and get good at the game faster.